Here's the tutorial on how to adjust the HD207 Parfocal setting. So again, hover your mouse to the upper left corner to show the menu. So basically what you do first is zoom in to T. So T line up with the dot and then adjust the focus ring, which is F-N. Okay, so once that is focused, then again you zoom out, line up the W with the dot. Okay, then here is you just adjust the parfocal. So here on the MF you slide it to, so typically it could be 146. Then when you do that, then when you zoom in and out, adjust the fine focus, and then zoom out again, stay in focus. Okay, so once you've done the manual focus, then you can go ahead and click on the autofocus here. Okay, and then it will take over the focusing feature for you as such. Okay, so in general, the first time you set up the lens, it's always better to so when the lens is first shipped, it's always in the manual focus. So basically you set it up first, and then you click on the autofocus, and it'll be easier for you in terms of the operation.